We all know the feeling. We tell people around us that we want to enhance our image, and they tell us we're beautiful the way we are. While that's true to an extent, it doesn't change the fact that your self-confidence won't be the same unless you treat yourself to the upgrade you desire. It's your body, and there's only one person you need to impress: yourself. But cosmetic surgery is expensive, not to mention painful in the aftermath, right? Wrong. Well, it would be if you went anywhere else. But we're here to prove that cosmetic surgery can be 100% affordable and pain-free. From breast augmentation surgery to rhinoplasty and beyond, we'll take the time to discuss your unique needs before going any further. Our list of satisfied clientele is only growing, and we can't wait to see you walk away with a smile on your face. Get in touch today, and let's turn your dreams into evergreen reality.